Hello, I'm Lydia and I'm going to open the Frozen Pebble Gear tablet. I'm not reading it up there. Oh.
You got the plug and the cable.
I've got that. And I've got that. Because that goes into that. And the cable. And one thing. This.
European adapter.
Yeah.
Okay, you can put the box on the floor.
And it says pull this.
Pull here. Ooh.
Ah. It says Disney Frozen 2 because it's Frozen 2. Yay! Pebble Gear.
Yes.
Pebble Gear.
Alright, so we've got ourselves a setup screen. So what language are we?
We're
That one. So next, Wi-Fi setup. Guess which ones are our Wi-Fi networks?
click, 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 click.
It's connecting. Did I get the password right? Yes, I did.
Done.
Next. What's next? Connecting to the internet.
Pebble Gear. System is starting.
Here we go. Okay, so next on the Wi-Fi. We're back to the setup. Next. It's okay. It says it's connected.
Next.
Okay, and now it says, oh, this is the bit where Mummy gets to put a pin in. Create a pin to secure the parents area.
No, you're not look. Because I'm not out. Well, I can't see the screen.
Okay, and then we have a privacy and data policy. So we're going to scroll and accept. And terms of service. So we're accepting terms of service. And then an email address. So I will put mine in.
Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. It's not that.
There's our ship, Elsa, Anna exclaimed, peering out the window. Are you almost ready? Frozen, A Tale of Two Sisters by Melissa Lagonegro. Illustrated by Maria Elena Nagy, Studio Ebosh, and the Disney Storybook Artists. Princess Elsa and Princess Anna are sisters. Elsa has a secret. She has magic powers. She can create ice.
I love it and it's very fun to play with. And I'm gonna start.
Is it easy to use?
Yeah.
You're supposed to tell me what you think of it. Do you like its case?
Yeah. It's really nice. It feels nice.
Is it nice to hold?
Yeah.
Does it work nice and fast? It's not too slow?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
What do you say to Pebble Gear for sending it to you?
Thank you.
Alright, say bye bye and thanks for watching.
Bye bye and thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like. Give a thumbs up.